Thank you guys so much for coming. My name is Rebecca Geller, and I'm the founder of the Geller Law Group. And we are so excited to have such a great crew here today. It's hard to believe that today is actually our 10th Geller Law Group holiday party. We've grown quite a bit over the years. And we're so honored that you took the time to join us from your busy lives. One of the many inspirations for the firm's founding was to tackle head-on the law firm culture that demands loyalty to billable hours and little else in a lawyer's life. We wanted law to be practiced by people with real lives and real successes and struggles, so that we could bring the empathy and understanding to many people who come to us for help every day. Technology, coupled with the deep trust that our firm's leadership has in every employee that we hire, allows us to grow our reach and offer services in ways that traditional law firms often neglect. Much like children, businesses have a way of growing up quickly. We are now a team of 36. And we're growing quickly. There is nothing more fulfilling than to watch our employees grow within our firm. We believe in promoting within. When we needed to hire a couple paralegals this year, we promoted 2 of our legal assistants and we trained them to become paralegals. But of course, we also hire from outside too. This summer was a hiring spree, resulting in 7 new employees who joined our firm. Hiring is a complicated process, and our rock star CHRO, Ronnie Jenkins, where's Ronnie? Right here. She made tremendous strides to ensure that our firm's talent is diverse, even earning us recognition from Virginia Lawyers Magazine to highlight our firm's diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives. Our firm knows how amazing Ronnie is, but we are delighted that others are seeing this too. So much so that Virginia Business Magazine recently selected Ronnie for its 2025 Virginia Black Business Leaders Award. Congratulations. We're also in the process of merging with another local estate planning law firm, John Laster over here. John Laster has had the law office of John Laster for a long, successful career. And his firm will be merging with our firm as John looks towards retirement after a successful career. Luckily for us, his associate, Sarah Beck, has joined our firm this summer and will assist with this transition. Our firm name will remain the same, and John will be joining us as of counsel to help streamline everything for his clients to begin working with our firm. We're so excited to grow with John's network and have loved working with Sarah. We continue to grow in many ways, and our team has received too many awards to mention them all today. So we just want to highlight a few of our favorites. In recognition of our leadership for women in the law, this year we have received Best Women-Led Law Firm and the Empowering Women Award. U.S. News and World Report has listed us as a best law firm for the 2nd year in a row. DC Magazine recognized our family law practice as a best family law firm. And of course, many of our team members have received so many individual awards and recognitions, it's just too many to list here. But it's been an exciting year full of so many recognitions for our team members. If you don't follow us on social media, I hope that you will, because we list them regularly there. As we consider the areas our clients seek out help for, this year we realized that many of our family law and litigation clients desire a less confrontational approach to divorce and conflict. Our collaborative law practice continues to grow, but this year we formalized a mediation practice group chaired by our partner Alice Ahern. Where's Alice? Right behind you. Our mediation practice is expanding our firm's options available to clients to help them navigate divorce in a more conciliatory manner than litigation. For example, one of our mediation clients is so happy with our firm's work for her divorce that she talks about it on TV. She is a star of this season's Real Housewives of Potomac. Her divorce and mediation has become a central story of this season, and her amazing attorney, Maria Simon, has appeared in the show multiple times when her client Ashley describes Maria as an outstanding attorney who she's so thankful for. I know I speak on behalf of all of us here at the GLG Law Group when we break things, when we say how incredibly thankful all of us are to have Maria as our firm's managing partner and our new reality TV star. We are thoroughly, I was on the phone with Maria the other night when she's like, oh, apparently I'm on TV tonight again. As you can see, it's been a wild year. We continue to grow by leaps and bounds. We're hiring for another senior family law attorney, and we have big plans for expansion in 2025. In 2024, we averaged 25 new clients every single week. This is truly mind-boggling. And it's the second year in a row we've averaged these kinds of new numbers. Although our attorneys are often the face of the cases in court and with clients, none of our legal work would be possible without the support of our paralegals, finance, and administrative team members. Led by our Director of Finance, Alicia Danner, down here. Our finance team is responsible for processing over 10,000 invoices every year. She does this with such incredible skill and attention to detail that our firm is truly thankful for her work. Our firm has enjoyed much success, and we realize how important it is to share our success with those who need our help. We look at the practice of law as a fundamentally human endeavor. It is vitally important that the law, and all the protections and opportunities it provides, is accessible to all. Over the past few years, we've heard from many in our community that it is challenging to find an LGBTQ plus friendly law firm such as ours. No one should ever fear calling a law firm and worrying about whether the firm is willing to work with them because of their sexual orientation or gender identity. Unfortunately, recent events have caused many folks in the LGBTQ community to feel terrified now more than ever before, and they're seeking legal help to ensure their rights are protected. We have made it our mission to ensure that the LGBTQ community knows we are there to support them. We have an LGBTQ coordinator. We've seen a huge uptick in inquiries from so many LGBTQ clients asking us to create power of attorney and medical directives to ensure their rights are protected, no matter what the Supreme Court says about their marriage. We have helped transgender clients to ensure their legal documents align with their identities. We've handled adoptions to ensure families are protected. Several of us were recently interviewed by the Washington Post about the legal work our firm is doing to help the LGBTQ community. If you have friends in the LGBTQ community in the DMV, please tell them that the GLG Law Group is here as an ally and an advocate, and we will always be a safe place for you.
Hear, hear.
I've talked a lot about our values today. In times that can try our souls, our values as employers and employees, as a firm and as clients, as families and friends, our values are more important than ever. And I believe companies should talk about our values. We need to reaffirm these values from time to time. We need to celebrate them together. We need to remember that at the heart of any business is people, and it matters how we think about those people and how we treat them. There is a quote by John Wesley that I hold close to my heart, and that I share only in the hopes that it explains the operating ethos of our firm and all who are part of it. Do all the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as ever you can. Giving back to our community is central to the values of our firm and our calling as a law firm. So today I want to also highlight the incredible pro bono work performed by our firm this year. We close the law firm multiple times a year for our community service days. This year we spent a day at Rise Against Hunger packing 6,000 meals. We went to the Lorton Community Action Center and made thousands of toiletry kits, rice bags, and snack packs. We spent a day in Maryland at the Wider Circle, and we carried massive amounts of furniture and household goods. Even though some people said, well, here, let me help you. The women shouldn't be carrying such heavy things, and we showed them what we can carry. We have donated hundreds of thousands of dollars to silent auctions for charitable donor organizations. Tomorrow, our firm is closed for us to volunteer at the DC Diaper Bank. Thank you to everyone who brought donations to DC Diaper Bank. We'll be matching your donations tomorrow when we go and volunteer there. Our firm is constantly looking for opportunities to do our part to give back to our community with a spirit of generosity and a commitment to goals greater than profit. Led by our partner Amanda Plant, who chairs our estate practice group. Here's Amanda here. Our estate practice group has expanded their pro bono footprint, providing legal wills on wheels programs to provide legal documents for seniors in need. Led by Maria, our business team provides volunteer legal counsel for the Women's Business Center and serves as pro bono counsel for organizations like the DC Diaper Bank or Homeward Trails Animal Rescue. Do you know a nonprofit that could use our help? Please reach out and let us know. Chaired by my law partner Stephanie Sauer, our right, all you guys are right together. Chaired by
we've done this before.
Stephanie chairs our family law team and has taken on our family law team has taken on countless pro bono family law clients and helped survivors of domestic violence with much needed help during the most difficult times of their lives. We know that the work we handle touches on all facets of life, from the start of it to the bumps along the way. We know that the documents we work on for our clients have life and meaning and power beyond their pages. We like to think that the outside accolades bestowed upon us this year come from our fundamental values of service and reinventing the law firm model to truly enable our team to balance their personal and professional lives. We are humbled by these honors and know that our successes come from our clients and our referral partners, which is why we are so thankful to be with you today to celebrate the end of one phenomenal year and the beginning of the next. People often ask us what the secret to our success is. Sometimes they say that maybe it's the fact that we are women-owned. Well, we just get the job done. But I think the truth is that we genuinely care about our team's overall well-being. And we find that a firm that cares about our team's happiness attracts clients who make us happy to know them, to work for them, and help create their own successes. As always, our firm is a community, one that only thrives when you thrive. During this gift-giving time of year, we ask one thing of you here today, and that is to share your good experiences and positive feedback about our firm. We truly appreciate your willingness to recommend us on listservs and on social media. Thank you for sharing our videos and posts. Thank you for your reviews on Google and Yelp. And if you haven't done a review on Google and Yelp, maybe you might want to do one today. Thank you for tagging us when friends ask for lawyers. These things really do matter for a small business. Our success is based on referrals, which are the greatest compliment you could give us. If you've been happy with our work over the past year or happy with the referrals you've given to someone, we only ask that you tell your friends and family. Feel free to take pictures today and share online about why you are here and why you are part of our law firm's community. We are so thankful for your support. On a final note, we would like to offer a big thank you to our families, our spouses, partners, and children who enrich our work every day and make it possible for us to bring our best to you every week. I'd like to finish with a note of gratitude. I first want to thank the people on our team who are responsible for today's work. Jen Roof, who's still outside and welcoming people in. We have Siobhan behind me, and Christy, and Ronnie Jenkins. Thank you all for your work. This is one of my favorite days of the year because it allows us to gather everyone who has had a hand in our success together to say a sincere thank you. You prove every day that it's possible to run a thoroughly modern law firm with old school values of community and neighborliness. With your support, we will continue to grow and succeed. Happy holidays and best wishes for a happy and healthy new year.